Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how you can back up your Samsung phone to Google Drive in 2025. This way, your photos, your contacts, and your important files are always safe and easy to restore. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your Samsung device's settings. Over here in your settings, you need to just scroll down and tap on the option of security and privacy. In your account, you can also just take a look at the accounts and backups option. If you don't see this option over here, simply use the search bar and search for the option of backup. Now you will be able to find the backup option. You need to simply tap on it. Now here you need to tap on the option of backup again. Then it is going to show you what you want to backup. It includes backing up your photos and videos and your other data. So you can add or subtract whichever you want to backup. And here you will see the option of backup now. So you need to tap on the option of backup now, and again you need to select what you want to backup, like the app data, call history, your contacts, your SMS, photos and videos, etc. After that, your Samsung phone will start uploading the selected data to your selected Google Drive. You need to keep your Wi-Fi on and don't lock the phone until it finish. The backup may take some time, so you need to be patient for it. Now to make sure that it happens regularly, you can also toggle on the automatic backup option, and this way your phone is going to automatically back up in the background without you needing to remember. So this is how you can back up your Samsung phone to Google Drive. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.